What is up, guys? My name is Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look on how to buy the new token that was recently launched on exchanges, and it's called Chimpzee token. So you could actually earn income while fighting climate change right here and save animal with Chimpzee. Now, before anything, guys, none of this is financial advice. You guys should always, of course, do your own research and due diligence. We know how volatile crypto can be. And of course, if you guys like these daily videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So diving in right here into Chimpzee, how to exactly buy this token. We know that this token was recently launched on P2P exchange, and it would really recently get launched on Bitmart. So if you want to get in that 100x crypto, because we know when something is down 90%, you want to essentially get in. And of course, MEXC didn't even yet list this token. So imagine what happens when MEXC, Binance, and all these cryptocurrencies or crypto exchanges will essentially list. So you could see right here that obviously the token is currently down 90% at launch. Nothing too crazy to worry for. You could see that right here, ever since the bottom, this token has been pretty much exploding. And you might be saying, wait, exploding? Yeah, exploding, up 1,200% literally in the last 24 hours right here. And if this goes back to the all-time high, okay, so assuming this goes back to the all-time high right here, I take this, boom, and I go back to the all-time high, you're looking at roughly right here 15x return. Okay, so I think it's obviously possible, but you guys need to understand that this is still a low cryptocurrency exchange. If you want to be the first one to get in, of course, you need to essentially sign up with P2P exchange. I will leave the link in the description below. So let's do the step on how to sign up. You're going to go ahead and click sign up right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and skip this part real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put my email, put my password, sign up, and then we'll get to the next part. Okay, so right here, guys, I am fully logged in inside the cryptocurrency exchange P2P right here. You guys can see this is my wallet, my main account. Now, of course, I do need a deposit, which I currently can't right now. I don't have a liquid at the very moment, but the first thing you'll want to do is obviously deposit USDT. So you're going to go ahead and deposit USDT right here. Now you could choose all the networks right here, whether it's ERC, TRC, BEP20, Algorand, depending from where you're withdrawing, what exchange you're withdrawing, etc. Most exchanges do have ERC20, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And of course, this will be your address right here. You could either do QR code, or you could go ahead and copy that address and withdraw it and copy it to your withdrawal account, I should say. So that's step number one. Step number two, we're going to go ahead and trade and go on Chimpzee token. We're going to go ahead and wait until our USDT funds have been in, and once we have been in, we're going to go ahead and unlock market or limit depending on what you want, and then you could choose the amount that you want to essentially buy, whether that's $20, $30, $40, $50, $100. That really depends, up to you. And you can see right here that $1 is currently worth 10,377 tokens. So assuming that this does go to $1, you would be banking on $10,000. So what does it hurt to actually drop a few bucks on this, right? Nothing really. You never know what could happen in the next bull market, considering that this does have really good incentives. So that is my video, guys, on how to buy Chimpzee token. Very quick, very simple. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes in my opinion. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.